What made you choose architecture?
So this takes me back to my ninth grade tours, and only the school students would go to different places, temples and different architecture places to just explore. That's when I found few students sketching and doing all the architectural documentation. That struck me. I was always good at sketching. And I was actually a landscape artist, but then I started doing buildings and trying out that. And my dad also, as a profession, he wanted me to do something as engineering. And later on he was like, don't do engineering, do something creative. And so I was like, let me try architecture. And I gave my exams and I got into it. So I had the dilemma to choose Hyderabad or Geetam Vizag, and Geetam Vizag actually offers me a 100% scholarship. I am a 100% merit student, so I have to maintain it for the 5 years, and I'm studying for free.
Did you consider other schools, or what was the attraction towards it?
So Geetam actually, as a campus, it's amazing. We have good student life and amazing faculty who are always in touch. Mainly in the architecture department, if you want to stay late and we want to work, the studios are open. We just need a signature from the security and they'll stay with you. It's something really nice as a woman to have that freedom of staying late and working for my career and my education.
How was your Geetam experience? 5 years is a long time.
Yes, 5 years is a long time and it's too less. One side, I'm happy that I'm getting to graduate and I get to become an architect. But on the other side, I think I'm going to miss the studio fun, the models I get to do, the juniors and the seniors interactions. So architecture is completely different than other branches, I would say that, because the interaction you have on the vertical level is amazing. So we have fifth years. When I was in first year, I used to help them do their models. And what changed in these 5 years is the way I started thinking about it. In the first, before entering, I was thinking that I was just escaping maths and physics. But no, you have that in architecture too. But it's on a practical basis, not the sine data and everything. No, the trigonometry which you use, you do it practically. So it's very understanding. And I think you'll fall in love with physics and maths if you come into architecture. So from that perspective, I started architecture, and then now the ending is like I would like to explore more. So architecture is not only about the urban buildings which are huge glass and concrete. No, there are lots of different scopes in architecture where you can talk about the plans and landscaping. You can talk about remodeling the stuff, interiors, everything you have in architecture. So I think I would like to explore more. That is the mindset I have after 5 years.
How was the journey over the last 5 years also evolved for you as you see the campus, as you see the school physically and also as program wise? What has changed?
When I came in the first year, my block, architecture block, wasn't this. It was completely 10 years back sort of classrooms which we had. So until second year, it was that. And the thing was, we could see how our seniors, alumni owned the classrooms, because they used to paint inside, leave their models, leave their structures inside. All these walls used to be painted. And after that, we had a revitalization of GSA 2.0, where we had different labs set up, different 3D modeling and experimentation stuff which were there. So which actually helped us do modeling, 3D modeling better. And also we had new faculty, new experiences of zonal NASA, where all 14 to 15 colleges had come to our campus and we hosted them. So that was a really good experience, and we also get to leave our identity and our paintings and our ownership on the walls which we painted over there. Those are all done by us.
What is your favorite spot?
My favorite spot is Sangat. It's something which we built for an ANDC competition, which later on we modified and made it more structurally stable. And that is our most spot where we get to do sometimes classrooms. We get the teachers, or let's have an open classroom here, and we do the classrooms here.
What do you want to do next?
So I'm actually planning to be a researcher. So I probably will be doing masters, and I've given my exams. Probably I will do masters later on. When I started off at architecture, I wasn't sure. I was like, this is too hard for me. I'm not able to sleep. I am not able to do it. I had doubts to take a step back. But don't do it. Do it undoubtedly. There will be juries which are hard. There will be exams which are hard. But it's okay. Leave it till the exam. and go for the next. Enjoy the subject is what I would say. So architecture is not just the subject, it's about the network you build, it's the friends which you're gonna see next. After that, you're gonna network with them and do a firm. We don't know. So it's a endless possibilities, which I think that should be the spirit.